Hi lovelies, welcome back to Darmiey's kitchen. My name is Darmiey. I hope you are having a fantastic weekend. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make native jollof rice or palm oil rice with goat's meat. This recipe is easy to make and it's really delicious. I hope you get to try it out. So let's get started. Alright, so I'll start by cooking my goat's meat. I'll leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below so you can check it out. So I'm just going to be seasoning my goat's meat with some bouillon cubes and some salt. Then I'll mix it together. And then I'm adding two habanero peppers, the red and the yellow, just to give it some flavor. And I'm adding half onion. Okay. So I'm just going to put some water. And then I'm going to cover this and pressure cook the meat for 15 minutes. Alright, so while my meat is cooking, I'm going to prepare my peppers. I'm using red bell pepper, some mini peppers and habanero peppers. You can always adjust this based on your spice tolerance. I'm using 4 habanero peppers, but you can use more if you like or reduce it. Okay, now I'm chopping my onions. And then I'm going to add palm oil to my saucepan. I have my saucepan on medium heat. So I'm just going to heat up the palm oil until it's warm. I'm not trying to bleach the palm oil here. And then I'll add my chopped onions. Okay, and then I'll let this saute until the onions are translucent. Alright, so my meat is ready. I'm just going to strain this and save the stock for later because I'm going to be using the stock to make my rice. Now you can fry this if you want, but I'm just going to put mine under the broiler. But if you want to fry it, you can fry it. So I'm going to place this under the broiler for about 10 minutes and then I'll continue with my sauce. Now I'm adding my peppers. I just gave it a rough chop. I don't want it to be too smooth. Okay. Now I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. Then I'm adding a little bit of the goat's meat stock. And then I'm adding some seasoning cubes to season the sauce. And a little bit of salt. I'll mix this well. And then I'll add my goat's meat. So I'll mix this well again so that every piece of meat is coated with my sauce. And then I'm going to cover this and let it steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so now I'm just going to bring out all the goat's meat from here so that I'll be able to cook my rice in this sauce. Now I'm adding some iru. I'm adding it now because I didn't want the goat meat to pick up all the locust beans in the sauce, but you can add it at the beginning with your onions if you prefer. Adding some diced ponmo and shaki. I'm also adding some smoked prawns and some ground crayfish. Now I'm going to add the rest of the goat meat stock and mix this well. Now it's time to taste for seasoning, just to make sure everything is well seasoned before I add my rice. Okay, so I added a little bit more salt. And once I was satisfied with the seasoning, I covered this and let this come to a boil. Alright, my stock is boiling, so I added my rice. And now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil just to make sure that the steam does not escape, and then I'll cover it with the pot cover and let this cook on low heat for 30 to 45 minutes. So alright, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to check on my rice. I'm just checking to see that all the water has been absorbed and is soft enough to my liking. If it's not soft enough, you can cover it and let it go again for another 10 minutes. So now I'm adding some chopped spinach. And then I'm adding a little bit of palm oil just so that I can get the palm oil taste in the rice. You know, we've been cooking the rice for a long time and all the other things we added have kind of overshadowed the palm oil. So I just added a little bit more, and then I'm going to cover it again and let it steam for about 5 minutes just to cook the raw palm oil and the spinach that we added. Okay, now I'm going to mix it all up. Look at how beautiful it looks. You can see everything showing in the jollof rice. You have the green spinach, the ponmo, the prawns, the shaki, everything. And the kitchen smells amazing. And this is it served with my goat's meat. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and also leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this recipe. Don't also forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.